Yeah, because I got it in the... Yep. Pitch it up. Read here. Here. Yep. All right. Whoop. Let's see, here is now is where you're going to start looking for the bird. And in her case, she's probably way out from where that bird is. Pitch it up. Good girl. Bring it here. Pitch it up. Give. But I'll be honest with you, I don't know where it's at. But I bet it's in front of her. See, now that probably would be, according to what they do, moving in on it would be a, yeah. Because the way that it showed it on the video, if you moved from your pivot foot, it was considered a deduction. Yeah, just. Well, yep. Well, that bird, at least from what I understand, would be considered an out-of-bounds bird now. It would be considered a lost bird. And we may want to go get it just for, but you know, we're sitting here, there goes your bird. That was a nice shot. But there comes my, I think she just found it. And see, hell, it's a good thing I need to be the bird setter because I won't know where the hell I put them either. No. Oh, I don't think it's so much, but that, you know, once you establish your pivot foot or whatever,